The word we'll be learning in this section is ayamari, which you will often hear in situations like when discussing errors in exams, acknowledging faults in a speech, or correcting mistakes. Mastering this word will help you confidently navigate conversations where errors or mistakes are the topic. Let's dive into expanding your Japanese vocabulary with ayamari. 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 The word ayamari means a mistake or an error in something. It's used when someone has made an error, a blunder, or when there is something incorrect that needs to be corrected. The first kanji means mistake or error. In speech, when you see gokai, this kanji gives the sense of something being wrong in understanding. When you see goshin, it shows the idea of an incorrect medical judgment, the same core meaning of error applied to diagnosis. He admitted his mistake. 彼は誤りを認めた。彼は誤りを認めた。He quickly fixes the mistake. 彼はすぐに誤りを直します。彼はすぐに誤りを直します。He pointed out the mistake. 彼は誤りを指摘した。彼は誤りを指摘した。He corrected the mistake. 彼は誤りを訂正しました。彼は誤りを訂正しました。He made a mistake. 彼は誤りを犯しました。彼は誤りを犯しました。The most common synonyms of the word ayamari are 間違い and era. 間違い generally refers to mistakes or errors, often used interchangeably with ayamari, but may be seen as slightly less formal. Era, a borrowed word, is specific to errors concerning systems or processes, such as technical errors in computing or machinery. The most common antonyms of the word ayamari are seikai and seikaku. Seikai refers to the correct answer or solution, often applied in academic or testing contexts. Seikaku indicates accuracy or correctness, often contrasting with errors or mistakes found in ayamari.